Today we are starting our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, reproductive health. Our first topic is population. All the organisms of the same group or species which live in a particular geographical area and those who are capable of interbreeding, they come under the category of population. Now population density. It represents the number of individuals in per unit area or volume at a given time. Now types of population density. There are two ways of expressing population density, the crude density and the ecological density. Crude density. It is the total number of individuals per unit area. Ecological density. It is the number of total area or volume which is actually inhabited by these individuals. Now population density formula. D is equal to N by S, where N is total number of individuals of a species. S, number or unit of space or area at a particular time. Here N is calculated either by total counting or by random sampling of individuals. S is represented as meter square in the case of terrestrial organism and MQ in the case of aquatic organisms, and D is population density. Now growth rate and growth pattern. Growth rate is the number of individuals added per thousands in a given time. It is represented by growth curve in which total number of individuals in a population is plotted against the time. Population may exhibit two types, that is sigmoid and J-shaped, and on that basis curves are there. They are sigmoid growth curve and J-shaped growth curve respectively. We will start with sigmoid growth curve, that is known as S-shaped curve also. It is shown by population which has stabilized in an area. It has many phases: lag phase, positive acceleration phase, exponential or logarithmic phase, negative acceleration phase, and stationary phase. Lag phase. It is the initial phase when population adapts to the new environment and shows very little growth. Positive acceleration phase. In this phase, growth is slow. Exponential or logarithmic phase. It is the period of rapid growth of population due to the favorable conditions and no competitions at all. Negative acceleration phase. Due to environmental resistance, the population shows slow growth until it reaches more or less equilibrium level. Stationary phase. During this phase, growth of population becomes stable because of mortality means death rate and natality means birth rate. Now we will study. As you can see on the screen, this is S-shaped growth curve which is known as sigmoid growth curve also. Now it is plotted against time and population size. This is lag phase. Population starts from 0 and slowly it is increasing. Positive acceleration phase, still slowly it is increasing. Exponential phase. This is the phase when maximum growth is there in a population. Now it is decreasing, which comes under negative acceleration phase, and finally stationary phase where natality and mortality rate is almost equal. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.